Imagine a world where tiny machines inside your bloodstream mimic the power of natural enzymes fighting cancer, preventing deadly blood clots, and delivering life-saving drugs with pinpoint precision. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's already happening. These powerful particles are called nanozymes, and they may redefine the future of medicine and nanotechnology as we know it. In today's video, we're diving deep into nanozymes, the artificial enzymes built from nanoparticles that are transforming healthcare, diagnostics, and treatment. We'll explore what they are, how they work, their groundbreaking applications, the challenges researchers still face, and how they could change medicine in the next decade. So buckle up. This is not just about tiny particles. This is about the future of life-saving innovation. And if you love learning about breakthrough technologies, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives just like this. So, what exactly are nanozymes? At their core, nanozymes are artificial, nanoparticle-based materials that mimic the catalytic activity of natural enzymes. Enzymes, as you probably know, are proteins that accelerate chemical reactions in the body, like breaking down food or protecting cells from harmful molecules. But natural enzymes come with big challenges. They can be unstable, expensive to produce, and very specific in what they can do. Nanozymes step in to solve these problems. Instead of fragile proteins, scientists use nanomaterials like metals, oxides, or even carbon-based particles to create enzyme-like activity. That means they can survive harsher conditions, work with a wider range of molecules, and cost far less to produce. Think of them as enzyme superheroes, stronger, cheaper, and more adaptable than their natural counterparts. Take a look on how this correlation works. Stability: nanozymes equals high, natural enzymes equals low to moderate. Cost: nanozymes equals low, natural enzymes equals high. Substrate adaptability: nanozymes equals broad, natural enzymes equals very specific. Synthesis: nanozymes equals simple, and scalable, natural enzymes equals complex. Because of these advantages, nanozymes have become one of the most exciting frontiers in nanotechnology and medicine. Now, let's get into how they actually work. Nanozymes are designed to mimic different types of enzyme activity. Some of the most important include peroxidase-like activity, breaking down harmful reactive oxygen species that cause oxidative stress in cells. Catalase-like activity, reducing hydrogen peroxide into harmless water and oxygen. Oxidase-like activity, helping with redox reactions essential for cellular health. Hydrolase and transferase activity, regulating metabolism and disease processes. For example, in lab tests, metal-based nanozymes can regulate oxidative stress in the bloodstream. That's a game changer because oxidative stress is linked to everything from cancer to neurodegenerative diseases. Even more fascinating, nanozymes can be modified by adjusting their surface chemistry or combining different nanomaterials. Researchers can tune them for specific reactions. Imagine customizing a nanozyme for cancer cells only, or programming one to prevent clotting without disrupting normal blood flow. That's the level of precision scientists are aiming for. So, what does this mean for us in real-world healthcare? The opportunities are massive. Cancer treatment: nanozymes can target tumors more precisely than chemotherapy, breaking down harmful molecules and even helping activate immune responses against cancer. Diagnostics: because they can mimic enzymes, nanozymes are used in biosensors that detect diseases quickly and cheaply. Think of rapid blood tests that don't require fragile enzymes. Drug delivery: nanozymes can be engineered to carry drugs directly to where they're needed, releasing them in a controlled way to minimize side effects. Blood clot prevention: certain nanozymes regulate platelet activity, preventing dangerous clots without interfering with normal healing. Environmental cleanup: beyond medicine, nanozymes can break down pollutants and toxins in water or soil, making them useful in sustainability. Essentially, nanozymes combine the precision of biology with the resilience of nanotech, opening doors across healthcare, biotech, and even environmental science. But before we get carried away, let's be realistic. Nanozymes are not perfect. There are some major hurdles researchers still need to overcome. Toxicity concerns: some nanozymes, especially metal-based ones, might have long-term toxicity in the body. stability in complex systems. While more stable than natural enzymes, nanozymes can still degrade or clump together in real biological environments. Costs of production at scale. Lab synthesis is straightforward, but producing safe, medical-grade nanozymes for millions of patients remains expensive. Clinical trials. Very few nanozyme-based therapies have reached human trials. Most research is still in the preclinical or early experimental stage. These challenges mean that while nanozymes are incredibly promising, we're still at the early stages of translating lab success into everyday medicine. Still, progress is happening fast. For instance, researchers have used nanozymes to deliver enzyme replacement therapies into the brain, helping treat rare metabolic disorders. In cancer labs, iron oxide nanozymes have been tested to enhance imaging and even help kill tumor cells. Some companies are exploring nanozyme-based biosensors for quick disease detection, including infectious diseases and even Alzheimer's biomarkers. These breakthroughs are proof that nanozymes aren't just a theory, they're already shaping biomedical research today. So what's next? In the next 5 to 10 years, experts predict nanozymes could revolutionize personalized medicine. Customized nanozymes, designed for each patient's unique biology. Smart drug delivery, nanoparticles that release drugs only when triggered by disease signals. Global health, affordable diagnostic kits powered by nanozymes, accessible in low-resource areas. Neurodegenerative diseases, therapies targeting Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by controlling oxidative stress in the brain. If successful, nanozymes won't just be tools, they could be cornerstones of future medicine. From fighting cancer to preventing strokes and even cleaning up our environment. Nanozymes represent one of the most exciting frontiers in science. We're still early in the journey, but the possibilities are limitless. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of nanotechnology in medicine, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next exploration into the science shaping tomorrow. Because the future isn't just happening, it's being engineered, molecule by molecule.